Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers on a Ford Mustang. Start by gathering your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your Ford Mustang is parked on a level surface with the engine off for safety. Then, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position, making the blades accessible for removal. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and easy replacement process. Now let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button on the wiper blade's connector where it meets the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. It's crucial to hold the wiper arm securely during this step to prevent it from snapping back and potentially cracking your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully slide the new wiper blade onto the J-hook or pin of the wiper arm. You should hear a click, indicating it's securely fastened. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's locked in place. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield, ensuring it rests flat. After installing both new blades, it's important to perform a quick check. Turn on your Ford Mustang and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their movement and ensure they clear the glass effectively without streaking or chattering. Remember to inspect your wiper blades regularly, ideally every 6 to 12 months, for optimal visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.